Well, we're down here back on the river. It's November 7th. Thought we'd come down, do a little fishing. Zero fish in the boat. We don't have a president yet. It's my dad. He's doing some fishing. Put in on the Columbia side there at River Park. Nice day to be out here, but no fish. Looking downstream now. There's some other people out here fishing too, but they don't look like they're catching anything either. River's up and down a little bit. You know, with that Lake Clark draw down, it's a little low in some areas. But not too bad. Looking up towards the 462 bridge. Beautiful morning. Like I said, no bites, no fish in the boat. So we'll continue a little bit longer, see how we do. Water's clear, maybe a little stained. See down a few feet. Starting to warm up a little bit. Till next time, talk to you later.